Hi, welcome and thank you for visiting paperhelp.com. Today we're going to talk a little bit about headers, footers, margins, line spacing, and bibliography works cited citations. Um, all of these are very important to organizing and formatting your paper, and they'll help you in the long run. We're first going to start out with headers. Headers are very important. They allow you to have page numbers on top of your pages. They also allow you to identify the author of the work that you're reading. And so to find the headers, you're first going to go up into the left-hand corner to the Insert tab. From there, you're going to go over to Header, and there will be a drop-down menu of different options that you can choose. You can put in whatever text you'd like. You can go Close Header. So here's our sample header that we've made. To insert a page number, you're going to go back over to Insert, which is over in the left-hand corner. You're going to go to Page Number tab. You can either, depending on what your choice, you can either go to top page or bottom of the page. The top of the page is just one that I picked. You can close the header. Now when you put in your page number, it's going to get rid of the header that you've already made. And so to edit your header, you're going to double click, and then you can add your header once more. So here you have your header, and it'll be transferred over to each additional page. For footers, you're going to go up into the Insert tab, go over to the Footer tab, and there'll be a drop-down menu, and choose whichever one you'd like. And close the footer. So now you have your sample header with the page number and your sample footer. Margins. Microsoft Word has already preset default margins that it puts into your paper once you start typing. But if you'd like to work with these options, then you can always do so by going to the Page Layout tab, which is in the left-hand corner as well, and going to Margins. As I said, you have the default normal margins, but if you'd like to choose other ones, here they are. I'm going to stick with the normal margins. Line spacing is also very important. Usually your professor will ask you to have double spacing in your assignment. So to do so, you're going to want to select all of your text. Once you've selected all of your text, you're going to go back to the home screen. And here's this paragraph area right here. You're going to go to the pop-out window. From this pop-out window, you're going to see the line spacing tab. You click on that. You click on whichever one you'd like. I'm going to click on double. Okay. So now the text that you've selected, which should be all of it, is now double spaced. Works cited and bibliography, depending on the style that you're using, is also very important to your paper. Your professor will want you to have in-text citations as well as a reference list. To do an in-text citation, you first go to your area that you're citing. You go to the references and insert citation and add new source. When you're adding a new source, you first have to select which type of source it is, depending on what you're using. You can select here. I'm going to use book, author, title, year, city, and publisher. Press OK, and you can see that your in-text citation has been included. Depending on the format or the style that you are using, you can change that with this option menu here. I'm in APA 5th edition, but depending on the style that you're using, you can change it here. Now with this in-text citation, you're going to want to have a bibliography as well to cite the source at the end of your paper. You're first going to want to select an area for your bibliography. And then you're going to have these already pre-made bibliographies that include the citations that you've already established. And usually your professor is going to want you to have this on a separate page. So now you have your bibliography here. Your in-text citation here. And your paper is formatted correctly. I hope these tips have helped you create a better formatting style for your paper. Thank you for watching. Hi, thank you for visiting PaperHelp Google website. This is a website intended for UALR students that would like to learn how to format and organize their paper in a better manner. The welcome menu just tells you what we're about and what we're doing. Here we have the sidebar, which gives you the instructional videos, other sources of help, and the step-by-step instruction to a better paper. The instructional videos, here you'll find some instructional videos that will go step-by-step on how to set up and format your paper, and hopefully make your paper even better. Here we have our other sources of help. These are just a couple sources of help. There are tons of them out there on the website, on the internet, with tons of websites where you can find helpful, useful formatting, organizing skills. But these are just a couple. UALR Writing Center is an online, on-campus and online resource that can be used by UALR students. They offer these one-on-one conferences that are very helpful in discussing your paper. Zotero is an add-on for Mozilla Fox, and is a very useful add-on. It was developed by professors and teachers, and it is a citation tool that will help you collect and organize your bibliography and in-text citations. PurdueOwl is also a citation tool which will help you with your in-text and bibliography. The step-by-step instructional is a paper, and it gives you kind of a step-by-step instruction on how to format a paper. These instructions are also coincide with the instructional videos. And yeah, I hope this website will be beneficial to helping you format and organize your paper. Thanks.